In order to manage our classes, we're going to go to our class landing page. So you go to your Google Classroom app, and that first page that appears, this is our landing page that shows all of our Google Classrooms that we've created. And through this landing page, we can manage our classes. The three dots next to each Google Classroom name allows you to move that classroom, edit the classroom, copy it, and this is great if you want to create like a Google Classroom template with all your basic information and lessons that you want for each class. Then you can make a copy and then customize it for your students and add whatever you need to add. But this is also where you would go to archive the class. So if I wanted to archive this class, I would click that class and click archive, and then it will archive the class for me. I'm going to use this one as an example because it's actually a class that I need to archive from last year. So I click the three dots next to the class name, click archive, and I would no longer be able to update that class unless I restore it, but all the student files will remain in Drive that's connected to that class. So now you no longer see that class on my landing page, and this is where it is. So when you click the three lines, that shows all the classes that you are actively teaching, classes that you have joined as a student. Right underneath there, you see where it says archive class. You would click on that, and it would take you to all your classes that you have archived. If you ever want to restore a class, you click on the three dots right next to the class name. You still have the option to move, copy, and then you have the option to restore. Now, this is the class that I joined as a student, so I don't have the option to delete. I did not create that class, but a class that I created, if I no longer want to have that in my archive files, this is where I would go to delete. So I have that option to restore, copy, and move. And when you're the teacher, you have the option of deleting that file. But your archive classes are located right here under archive classes. When you click on the three lines and you see all your classes that you are actively teaching or you have joined as a student, you still have access to those archive classes. So this is a great way to manage your landing page and to manage your classes and to keep this updated to the classes that you are using or that you have joined as a teacher.